In an unforeseen series of events, this little bird's house's cover was broken by a couple of other birds. So what we decided to do was make a new cover for its home. Now we have cut out a little circular piece of wood from a piece of salvage wood that we had in our apartment, and we took this little bird's home, fixed the circular piece of wood on top of it. So we are going to make 2 holes into the nest and then pass in through 2 zip tags and secure the top of the lid and call it a day.